everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with the Kroger weekly ad couponing matchup for November 23rd through November the 27th of 2018. This is an extremely small ad. I was really actually disappointed when I picked it up. I was like, did I miss something? And I grabbed a couple copies of it just to have, and both copies were this small. So yeah, definitely a very, very small week ahead at Kroger, which was honestly expected. This is only going to be valid for 5 days because it's only valid for 5 days because the current sale is running for 9 days. So they're going to run this ad shorter so they can get back on their typical sales cycle of 7-day sales running Wednesday through Tuesday. But this sale will run Black Friday through Tuesday, November the 27th. So I will, if I find any deals on Black Friday, which I'm really hoping I do, I will go and I'll try to find some stuff and put some deals together. Hopefully we can find something. But there's not a whole lot to work with in this Kroger ad, which is disappointing, unfortunately. But if you haven't seen this week's Kroger videos, you should go check those out because there are some really good deals at Kroger right now. And hopefully we get a really good mega event after this week because we need something after this. But if you want to see this week's Kroger deals, go to the description box below and check out the links to those videos. So let's just dive right into this ad. We have 88 cents a pound for grapes, $2.88 a pound for 3 pounds of $2.88 a bag for the 3-pound bag of premium seedless mandarins. And then they are doing a 3-day sale. And I'll be sure to do an alert video about that. It'll run on Black Friday through Sunday, November 25th. And you get these prices with 5 times digital coupons. So the Kroger butter is $1.99. The Classico pasta sauce is 99 cents. Nabisco snack crackers, 99 cents. And then the manual cook and carry crock pot, 6-quart, $19.99. That's something you can get for cheaper over Black Friday. So I wouldn't do it now. All right, we also have $1.99 a pound for the fresh ground beef. That'll always vary depending on where you live. It's not going to be the same everywhere. There's $1.29 a pound for the fresh boneless pork half loin, and 5 for $10 for Pepsi or 7-Up 6-pack bottles or 6-pack cans. That is not good for the cans at all, but for the bottles, it actually is a good price. And $2.99 for Tostitos chips. That's not good. 4 for $5 for Kroger sour cream or dip. $1.99 for private selection buns, and then 2 for $5 for Keebler Townhouse or Club crackers. That's not very good either. There is a $1 off 2 coupon from the 11/11 Retail Me Not for the Keebler, and then there are some Ibottas for the Club crackers. There's some beer sales, $1.77 for Kroger cheese, and then $3.99 for California Pizza Kitchen or DiGiorno or the Farm Rich appetizers. I have seen coupons for the Farm Rich and some inserts. And then there's 88 cents each for Kroger dozen eggs. All right, so pretty much in this ad, I think Kroger's doing this. We don't have a Kroger marketplace where I'm at, so I feel like this is Kroger's attempt at a Black Friday ad. I'm pretty sure that's what they're doing. So they've thrown a lot of stuff on here, like their candles and holiday items and some toys and just stuff like that. So I think that's what their purpose was in this ad, not really any grocery deals. That's really sad because that's probably why we all go to Kroger is for the grocery deals, not really for anything else. But I'm not seeing anything too extravagant on this page. I apologize for the shadow. It's nothing special. It's pretty much just it's percentages off of certain stuff is all it pretty much is. Like 50% off novelty toys, 20% off holiday home cookie containers. It's stuff like that. It's nothing that exciting. We do have buy one get one free shrimp, 20, 40, or 60 count. That's good. $1.77 when you buy 3 Lay's, Cheetos, Fritos, Cheetos, Sun Chips, or Kettle Chips. I have some Peelies for buy 2 get 1 free for the Lay's Kettle Chips. And then there's the Ibotta for $1 back on 2 on those. And then here's just the Kettle brand potato chips. Nabisco Oreos or Pepperidge Farm cookies, $2.49. That's kind of blah, not that special. The best thing in the ad, we have a free Candlelight Company jar candle 3 ounce. So that's actually really nice. That's a really nice free Friday. That's different than usual. So get yourself a free candle over at Kroger. That'll be nice. Make sure to load that on Black Friday. So, yeah, that's all that I have. I'm sorry to say that I was really thinking there'd be more in this ad. But I bet the week after, since this is such a short ad, I bet it'll be good the week after. Kroger usually has always got lots going on, so kind of nice to have a week off. But come back next Friday. I'll have if there is any deals that I find, I will have a matchup video up on Friday with unadvertised deals and everything. So yeah, check that out, and thanks for watching.